Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make these foldable falcon wings. After many trial and errors, finally I came up with a good wing design. You can find this template in description box below. Cut all pieces and glue it to a thick piece of cardboard. I got this from my old notebook. Make sure you are not using corrugated cardboard to make this project. With small strips of cardboard and a toothpick, you can make holders for this project. Only use small quantity of super glue. You will need 9 of these. To limit movement of this wing, I will be adding a piece of thread. If you have any suggestion for improvements, let me know in the comment box. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give a like. Thank you for watching.